Understanding empathy. Share in their joy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a heartwarming phrase that's all about empathy and connection. Share in their joy. Understanding this phrase not only helps us with our language skills but also brings us closer to the emotions and experiences of others. Let's get started. Share in their joy is a phrase that means to feel happiness or joy because someone else is happy. It's about participating in another person's happiness, celebrating their good news or success as if it were your own. This phrase emphasizes the importance of empathy, connection, and the human ability to experience joy together. When you share in their joy, you're not just observing someone else's happiness from the sidelines. You're actively engaging with it, letting it affect you positively. This act strengthens bonds between people and fosters a sense of community and understanding. To better understand this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. When a friend graduates, imagine your friend has just graduated from university. You attend their graduation ceremony, congratulate them, and feel genuinely happy for their achievement. You're sharing in their joy. 2. Celebrating a colleague's promotion. A colleague at work gets a promotion they've been working hard for. You celebrate with them, perhaps by throwing a small party or congratulating them warmly. Your actions and feelings of happiness for them are ways of sharing in their joy. 3. Witnessing a family member's achievement. A family member completes a marathon for the first time. You feel proud and exhilarated for them, celebrating their success as if it were your own. This is a perfect example of sharing in someone else's joy. Sharing in someone's joy does more than just make others feel good. It builds stronger relationships, creates a positive environment, and helps us develop our emotional intelligence. By sharing in the joy of others, we learn to appreciate the successes and happiness of people around us, which in turn makes us more empathetic and understanding individuals. Moreover, this phrase teaches us a valuable lesson about the joy being a shared experience. Happiness, when shared, multiplies. It's a reminder that life's most beautiful moments are those that are celebrated together. We hope this exploration of share in their joy has not only helped you understand this lovely phrase but also inspired you to practice empathy and connection in your daily life. Remember, by sharing in the joy of others, we not only make their day brighter but also enrich our own lives with positivity and warmth. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and its power to connect us all. See you next time.